A high-quality wallpaper can transform the outlook of your device. In this video, we are gonna share some best wallpaper apps for your iPhone. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's get started. Vellum is hands down the best wallpaper app for iOS devices. I really love apps that strive for a minimal, elegant, sleek and functional user interface. Vellum does all of this, and the design is truly beautiful. From the app icon and fonts to the layout and animations, the app is just wonderful to look at. There is nothing I would change in the design. It's absolutely stunning. Once you open a module, you will be greeted with a grid of wallpapers. Scroll through and find the one you like. At this point, you have some options. You can tap the blur button at the bottom to see how the wallpaper will look blurred, and you can adjust the blur effect. You can preview the wallpaper on both your lock and home screens with I button. Tapping the center button will download the wallpaper on your Photos app in a folder named Vellum. Vellum is free on the App Store, and they also have a paid version which is cost $199.
Everpix has currently more than 4,000 wallpapers available on the app, and the collection is regularly updated. You can browse categories and choose the desired wallpaper from the given categories. All the images featured in the application are of high definition quality. Categorization of wallpapers will come handy if you are looking forward to applying a wallpaper for a particular category. With favorite option, you can mark your favorite wallpapers to access them later. You can preview the wallpapers to get an idea of how your iPhone background and the lock screen will look upon applying a wallpaper. This free app has occasional advertisement that can be ignored given the quality and quantity of wallpapers available. You can opt for the ad-free version by paying $2.36. If you are fascinated with our planet Earth and universe, then go for Wallpaper app for iPhone wallpapers. Stunning pictures in high definition make this application one of my favorite from the list. The app allows you to add a bookmark to the wallpaper you like. The interface of Wallpaper app makes it easy to choose your favorite wallpaper in a hassle-free manner. If you like the wallpaper, you can share the geographic location of the wallpaper with your friends. New collections are frequently added by the app developers. You can choose from normal size or parallax size after downloading the wallpaper. Wallpaper app is free to download, but to download all the options available on the application, you need to make an in-app purchase.